What's going on YouTube, man? It's your boy Josh Money back out here again. I got the Smith & Wesson CSX. I'm gonna put it up against the Glock 43 and we're gonna see which's better. Man, let me know what y'all think, man. Like, comment, subscribe down below, man. Let's get into it. Smith & Wesson CSX versus the Glock 43. Now with this, I'm gonna have +2 base plate on here, so this is 8 rounds. 9 round Z9 mag. 12 round only loaded with 10. And 10 round flush mag. So I'm gonna try to keep it as even as I can with the different round counts and shit, but I'll let you know. We're gonna start this off. I'm gonna just see what kind of group I get, and we gonna go from there. All right, so you guys seen it first. I did have a malfunction with the Z9 magazine. Finally, I knew it was gonna happen because the spring tension on this magazine is getting so low, it doesn't feed the last round, similar to my ETS magazine. So I just want that to be known, man. I am having failures with the Z9 magazine. Last round's not feeding, similar to the ETS. I think it's a spring power issue. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna contact Shield Arms, and I'm gonna see if they can send me a replacement magazine or a replacement spring to see if this shit can stop happening. Because this is the first time it happened, and I knew it was gonna happen eventually just based off the spring pressure. So if I have any more malfunctions, we're gonna chalk it up to this magazine. I'm gonna try the other magazine to see if it works any different, and I'm gonna let you guys know. No lockback, as usual. All right, this is a stock Glock magazine with a +2 base plate on it. Lockback, no failures, how it should be. All right, I'm gonna switch over. Smith & Wesson CSX. I did have a slight trigger lockup twice, but beside that, ran flawless.
The group on the CSX actually looks better.
Yeah, the group on the CSX actually is a little bit better. Alright, Glock 43. I'm hitting low. Smith & Wesson CSX. Alright, I'm gonna shoot 3 rounds. I'm gonna try to see where it's hitting. So it's pretty much, it's either low or dead. It's low, slightly low, I'm thinking. So we gonna see. Alright, I'm at the range with GNS. My boy Drew.
Yes, sir. You already know. What up?
Sure. We got his CSX out here. XDS. What's this right here?
Yeah, that shit's clean. Show him the trigger on that.
Was that Apex?
Yeah.
Apex.
It's just like a
Okay,
3-4
Apex
pound
trigger.
trigger, dude. That thing's touch that thing, it's gone.
Whew.
That thing's a nice trigger.
Seen that?
Need to work on my reload.
Yeah, so that's. Alright, what is this? M&P 9C? Apex trigger.
Want me to get you in the target? Nice. That trigger's nice. That thing's ready for mag dumps. I shot that thing hella quick.
Let me see.
Actually, you know what? I'll probably do a mag dump with that.
I'm gonna get 3 through the CSX.
You want to do a mag dump? Oh, do what you do. Do what you do.
Mag dump. Hold on. Safety.
And you're shooting Federal 115. We wanted the Igman 124,
Yeah,
but
I like the Igman.
I love the
stuck with
Igman.
Federal, but
The Igman is every time. I brought a few of my carry guns out today. So M&P, this, that. I like the XDS. He's running his CSX. I'm gonna run mine after. Because the hinge, right? Talking about the hinge?
So this trigger really impedes me from shooting fast because where my finger naturally goes is up here. So I have to bring it down, and it's a weird angle on the trigger. So I keep getting a freeze every time I go to shoot fast because I'm hitting it up here instead of down here.
Shoot mine, see if it does that. Yeah, shoot mine, see if it does that same thing. I'm actually kind of curious if my shit does that. Because I haven't had that problem yet. CSX crew. Really nice gun, man. Smith did their shit. They need a few
The fly
upgrades.
release is definitely stiffer than mine, I can tell you that.
Oh, yeah. I haven't really broke mine in yet.
Yeah, I get the same thing with both of them.
Same thing?
It's the trigger problem. I'm reaching up here, see? I do that instead of down here. Because the way my finger sits, it sits up here. I have to force it to go down low in the trigger guard.
Yeah, I said that because you ride high in the back, but then you have to put your finger down a little bit just to get that hinge. Yeah, I have that same problem too.
Real quick.
See?
Hit it with a little dunk.
But it goes off for me though. I like that. I love this gun.
So I'm definitely gonna have to get rid of this.
This one runs flawlessly. That's your favorite one though,
Yeah,
right?
Z9 magazine, follower, the spring,
You
the
can see it's
tension's
weak.
just gone.
Yeah,
That
tension.
last round, you can see it just sits in there.
Yeah, it's not enough tension. Not enough tension in that bitch.
Let's see what else you bring with you.
Yeah.
XDS 9.
Yes, sir. Oh shit. So you was hitting where?
I was aiming for the right side circle, but I didn't hit it on the left target. I hit low at the neck area.
How you like it?
It's not bad. Trigger's not bad. It's pretty light.
I fuck with it. I like the sights on this thing. I like the sights and the polish ram feed.
One shot, slide lock, reload.
I know I'm gonna be slow, so don't mind me. Still doing this, man. We're still training. It's all fun. I'm not a tactical guy. So we're gonna go for the right side. You're gonna go for the right side, or
Yeah,
you gonna go for the left?
I go for the right. I go for the right on mine.
Alright, bet. Hope I can see right now. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Go.
So my problem I be having. My mag wouldn't drop free.
What happened?
My mag wouldn't drop free for me. I had to fucking whoop that bitch up.
For real?
Yeah, it's all good. Do it again.
Do it again.
I wish this shit went to fucking slide lock, cause it'd be easier to grab this one than grab
And I
that
cocked
one.
it back too. I cocked it back. I didn't have one in the pipe. I cocked it back. You got one in the pipe?
Yeah, of course.
What, one in the pipe? I always carry one in the pipe. Alright, let me just load this real quick. Full mag?
No, I'm doing
Four
shot, slide lock, shot. So shot, slide lock, reload, shot.
Alright, bet. So only one?
Yeah. One, reload, one.
Alright, bet. Got you.
Gotta remember my slide lock on that side.
Alright. Alright, ready?
Ready.
Hold on, let me double check my camera real quick. Alright, ready? Beep! Yeah, still hitting high left shoulder. I hit him right here. Still a bad place to get hit.
Let me try to do it.
I'm gonna do it with my enemy. Well, I didn't bring the holster for my enemy.
See, I got two left in here, so make sure this shit.
I don't know if this was...
It's hard to grab this fucking shit up out of here. I feel like this shit don't want to slide out. Like I hit the slide release and it gets stuck.
Yeah, your mag's getting stuck. Huh?
It's all good. I mean, you gotta work through it.
Let's do another 1-1.
So that's the thing. Just keep working through it instead of getting hung up on it. Work through it.
Yeah, try to get fast as you can. You only gotta get faster with progress. Ready?
Ready.
Set. Beep. Still hitting high left shoulder. Alright. Ready?
Ready.
Set. Beep. Right below the bullseye too. I got right in the bullseye. That was good for a fast shot.
See, I feel like I gotta redo steps for this every time because the fucking magazine will not drop free.
I know, that's the problem. That's the problem. I like this tactical drills. We need to do this more often.
Okay.
We need to do this more often. You need a couple more rounds? Yeah, you can take that. Take that.
Shoot a couple times. I'm gonna try it the other way. I'm gonna see if this shit gives me slide lock back. I doubt it will though. Cause it never does.
Alright, so now we're gonna do 2 rounds. Slide back, and then 1 reload.
So
with 1 round.
2 rounds,
So 2 and then
reload,
1.
shot.
Yeah. So we're gonna do 3 all together. So bang, bang, bang. It's gonna be bang, bang, reload, bang. I love that sound. Hopefully I'm getting good footage for you guys. I don't have a cameraman today, so I apologize to you guys. Alright. Ready?
Ready.
Alright. Ready, set, beep! You had 2 shots in that one?
Yeah, I shot a double on the second one. This fucking magazine. I don't mind stripping it, but it's getting the second one in.
Let me see.
It's a small little thing. It's all good. Watch, little we're doing it, it don't want to slide. That bitch.
Shooter ready. Stand by. Beep. another bullseye.
Alright, look, you guys, we had some fun out here. My boy GNS.
You already know, legal
Look,
life.
man, you guys already know what it is. That 43 Z9 magazine, I'm gonna have to go and get that shit looked at and get another one because I don't know what the hell's going on with it, but I'm gonna figure it out. Probably gonna get another one, but I'm gonna switch my mag from now on and then we're gonna see from there. But I'll definitely let y'all know, man. Legal life, I'm out of here.